guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna try some viral products that are all over the TikTok or even on the social media. I've seen them around, and some of them are new, some of them are not on the market. So if you want to see what products I'm talking about and how I'm creating this makeup look and what I'm using, of course, then keep on watching. So let's get started. Now the first product I do want to try today is this eyeshadow palette from Beauty Bay. This is called the Golden Age. It has 9 colors and I think it's a perfect nude, especially if you do want to travel, or because it's, you have, from my point of view, you have all the nudes that you need in here to create the glam look as well. So to have an idea how they look like, they look really pigmented, some really nice nudes. So I'm gonna show you in the pan as well. They look really pigmented, especially the shimmers, but the mattes as well. So I want to play with this, of course. I think I'm gonna start with this shade in here, which is called Roaring, and seems pigmented already. And I think on this part I'm gonna mix these two because this is too light, this is too dark. So I'm gonna mix Glamour with Roaring. Okay, and now on here, I know it looks weird now, but I'm gonna apply one of those shimmers. So I think I'm gonna use this one in here. I'm gonna use my finger. Seems really foiled. Yes, it is. So I'm gonna just use this on my center of the lid, and I think this look will go together if I apply this sparkle in the middle. On the lower lash line I am gonna use this shade and for my first bit, and then I am gonna use this shade after. Okay, next I do have some products from another products from Beauty Bay, and I'm talking about this brush up brow. So it comes with a brow soap and some spoolies in the pack. I mean, you can order it separately, but I needed the spoolies as well. So this has a pretty similar look like the Anastasia brow freeze packaging. It looks exactly the same, especially this is clear inside, exactly like the Anastasia one, and looks pretty much the same, except for that lid, it's golden instead of silver, but it looks nice. Packaging is good. So let's see what it says on the package. So create perfectly shaped bushy browns with the by Beauty Bay brush up brow soap. The formula keeps hairs feeling nourished and give the appearance of fuller looking brows with a strong long lasting hold, which is good because usually a brow soap should give you a long lasting. And how to use it, it says spray the soap with water or a facial mist or setting spray. Using a spoolie, brush the soap through the brows to style. So you need a liquid to activate it. Doesn't seem to smell of anything. No, doesn't have any smell. And by the way, this has 8 grams, so it's quite a big one. So I'm gonna use a setting spray then. So I'm just gonna spray it in here. Is this enough? And I'm gonna do this. Yeah, became a bit white now, but let's see. So I'm gonna use a mirror. Hopefully I'm not gonna destroy my eye makeup. Probably supposed to do this first, but let's, if I use my finger and stick them like that from my skin, they will stay. If not, they're gonna come up. Next, I do have a primer, to be fair. I have this one from Physicians Formula, and this is called Spotlight Illuminating Primer with age-defining actives. And this has 30 ml. It's a glass bottle, by the way, and comes with the pump, so it looks exactly like foundation. Blurs, corrects, and protects. This is what it says on the back. It's infused with 5 filtering luminescent pearls to blur imperfection. That's a bit contradictory. Whatever you have luminous stuff is not going to blur imperfection, it's going to emphasize it. But anyway, let's see what it says. So to blur imperfection and deliver a spotlight glow, it's enriched with antioxidants, and you have to apply evenly over clean face and blend it with fingertips. You can warm over foundation as well, apparently. Now this is a pump. It doesn't look a lot, but this is intense. This looks pretty much like a highlighter. It's not as intense as a highlight, but can you see the pearls? It's really beaming. Yes, definitely has. It feels like a highlighter. Can you see it? Yeah, it definitely looks like I have highlighter on my face. It completely dried out. It doesn't feel like I have anything on my skin, to be fair. And it doesn't feel hydrating, doesn't feel tacky, it doesn't feel drying. So I think they didn't blur anything, to be fair. How they said, nope, nothing is blurred. It just gives me this glowy sheen. Look at my hand. Now next for foundation, I have this one from Urban Decay, which is called Stay Naked, and it's a weightless liquid foundation, which is up to 24-hour wear. This is out for a while now, but I never tried it. So, I'm gonna do that today. Mine is in the shade 20NN. It's a plastic bottle. This is not, it's not glass. But yeah, that's fine. And of course comes with pump. It's really great. And I'm gonna try this on. Hopefully it's not too light, because it looks a bit light into the box, so let's see it. Oh, it's pretty liquidy. I didn't expect that. Oh, this looks light. This looks light. I'm gonna use a pump at the moment. Half of my face I'm gonna use a brush, and half of my face I'm gonna use a sponge. Seems to have a sheer coverage at the moment. Yeah, this brush doesn't like this foundation, to be fair. Because it looks like it's gathered around. Can you see it? This brush is not for this foundation. Because this is more liquidy. With the other one, I didn't have a problem. With the other foundation I tried. So I've used the pump, but it seems like it's soaked up already. It feels quite lightweight and liquidy. But let's see if I can build it up for what I want. So I've used, this is the third pump, which is quite a lot. I'm not happy that you have to use that much, because usually my sponge doesn't absorb that much. It feels really drying. And especially in here, in this area here, like some patches. And I've used almost 4 pumps, and I only have not even medium coverage, seriously. I know this is up to medium and it's buildable, but I used a lot of product. So yeah, I'm a bit, not really, not impressed. Now, next I have a foundation, next I have a concealer. This is from Sleek. This is called Life Proof Concealer, and this is a huge one. It has 7.4 mil. It's a big one. And mine is in the shade Vanilla Shot. So let's see, it's quite light, but yeah, let's see what it does. And hopefully this makeup that I'm trying today is not a complete disaster, because so far I'm not really impressed with the products I've tried. And it's not heavy, or just, you know, I did cover my under eyes. Yeah, it did cover a lot. Okay, next I do have a powder which has been on the market for years and years, and I'm talking about the Fit Me loose finishing powder from Maybelline, and mine is in the shade 10 Fairlight. Unfortunately, on store I can't find on this shade. The lightest you can find is 15, I think, which is way too dark for me, so I had to order this online. I ordered it from Amazon, and by the way, this has 20 grams, so it's a big one. Hopefully this is not too matte, because it's gonna be a complete disaster if it is. I definitely need a setting spray to illuminate my face again. This is a very matte powder, guys. If you're like very, very, very oily, probably you'll like this, because today all my face is matte. I don't know what to say about this. I will definitely use it more, but probably just under my eyes, and that's it. Okay, so now that I applied some dimension to my face and applied some highlighter, I don't look that flat anymore. Let's go ahead with the setting spray. So as I did mention, I did want to use this one from Catrice, which is a mattifying one, but I'm gonna skip it. It's too much matte on my face. So I'm gonna actually use this one from Makeup Revolution, which I have it for a while in my drawer and I haven't used it. This is the I Heart Revolution Coconut Hydrating Fixing Spray. This should hydrate, and I don't know if it's gonna do it. It doesn't say if it's gonna do a dewy finish. Let's see. There's sprays that are always really aggressive, to be fair, but yes, it brings me back to life, to be fair. But my face looks, you can see a bit of a hydration and plump. And to be fair, even at the beginning when I applied all my face products, I can't say I hate it, but I didn't really like it. But everything is blurred. Everything is more fine, more, I don't see any texture on my face, even around my nose or anything. Everything is more smoother, to be fair. Even after I apply this is mattifying, but it did made my face really smooth. And now that I have a bit of a highlighter, I've also applied this. It's not my face is not extremely glowy, but it's not flat either, which I like. Now I'm gonna go and finish the rest of my face because I want to do my lips, I want to do some lashes. Probably I'm gonna wear a wig, you know, depending on the mood. And I'm coming back with the finished look, and of course, let's talk about this product. Hey guys, I am back with the finished look, and I had to take a hoodie on me because it's getting cold outside. It's windy and I think it's about to rain. But going back to the makeup, to be fair, the way it started, it wasn't great, but now I like it. I really like it. So the base now looks pretty matte, but not flat, but also looks pretty blurred. It doesn't have any cakiness anywhere. It just like it sinks into my skin eventually, and everything came together beautifully, to be fair. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you did enjoy this video, because I did enjoy making it. Even as I did mention at the beginning, it was a complete disaster of a start. It did turn out to be nice. I like the finished look. I like how my products look on the face. I've tried today, so it's a relief that, you know, buying all of this stuff, you don't have to, you know, throw it away because they don't work for you. It did turn out to be nice. I did mention I'm not wowed about these products, but they're not bad either. So thank you very much for watching again. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It will mean a lot for me and for my channel. And also, if you're new here, please consider subscribing, because it will help me grow my channel. Now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time, guys. Till then, take care. Bye bye.